Hello everyone, myself Tejaswini Sandeep Goyal from Pune. I have completed electrical engineering in Universal College of Engineering and Research. So today's Bible topic is a constructor overloading. First, we have discussed the what is the constructor, and then will be discussed the what is the constructor overloading. First, what is the constructor? Constructor, it is the special method to initialize the objects of a class. In that also constructor is the instance of a class. To create the object of that class is called as the constructor. Constructors having declarations having the different rule. In that the constructor name is similar to that class name. Also constructor are the not return value. So the syntax of that constructor, it is the first is access specifier and then constructor name. So that constructor name is similar to that class name. Then the constructors having a two different types. In that first is it is the parameterized constructor and second one is a default constructor. We have discussed the first parameterized constructor. In that the parameterized constructor, we can use the parameters in that constructor. For example, is a int num1 something get the value of 10. The next one is a int num2 to get the value of 20. These parameters are mainly used in that constructor, so it is called as the parameterized constructor. Mainly the parameters are used in that the constructor. So the next one is a default constructor. The default constructor, it is the parameter is not used in that constructor, so it's called as the default constructor. In that the default constructor, we can use the no parameters. In that the Java programming, the constructors having not getting in that the class, so the compilers having the default value of that constructor, and we have get the O1 parameters of that constructor. Then the compilers get the delete of that default value we can store in that the class. This called as the default constructor. These are the mainly two types of the constructor. Then we have discussed the constructor overloading. The constructor overloading, it is the use as a more than one or more than constructors are mainly used in a same class. It's called as the class overloading. Or the more than one constructor are mainly used in that the same class for initialize the different object of a different parameters. It's called as the class of constructor overloading. In that the constructor overloading, we can mainly use as the different types of the constructors, and each constructor having a different parameters. In that the, for example, first constructor we can use the int parameter num1 and num2. Then second constructor we can use the static constructor. In that the static keyword is mainly used in that constructor, so it is called as the static constructor. You mainly use at the same class. Then next one is a public or class name is a student. Next, these are the also one constructor is used in a that same class. So there are the different constructors are mainly used in the same class for different parameters, so it is called as a constructor overloading. Thank you.